To replace your door stay, you will need to remove your door panel. Please see the link at the end of this video for additional assistance with that project. With the door panel off, carefully peel back the weather membrane from the door, red arrow. You do not need to remove it completely, just enough to make enough room so you can reach in through the opening, yellow arrow. Use a set of needle nose pliers and carefully remove the small circlip on the bottom of the retaining pin, red arrow. Tap the pin up and out from the hinge. Use a 10mm socket and remove the 3 bolts holding the stay to the door as indicated by the red arrows. Carefully reach in and remove the door stay, red arrow. Use care as the metal inside of the openings around the door is very sharp and it is easy to cut yourself. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.